I'm here with the Dyson Ball dc50 Animal. Has advanced cleaner head technology, 2-tier radiator cyclones, light and durable. It weighs just 11.6 pounds. It has a 5-year warranty and it comes with a tangle-free turbine tool. Here's the diagram of the advanced cleaner head. You can see it has the active base plate, which moves up and down depending on hard floors or carpet. Has carbon fiber for hard floors. You can see the nylon bristles and the carbon fiber filaments. And the conventional cleaner head, you know how it has the rug strips? This is a Dyson cleaner head. It has full contact with the brush to the carpet all the way, so you don't have those the lines in the carpet. And it has the motor inside the brush bar instead of a belt. So that's good. So let's open it up. In the top, first thing you have is the wand and the handle right there. And then you have the cleaner head right here. You can see it has full width cleaning, the carbon fiber, and then the stiffer bristles right here. The active base plate moves up and down like that. Now let's take out. Comes with the upholstery tool. There's a bracket for it, and the combination dusting brush and crevice tool. Right here, you have the tangle-free turbine tool, just like on the Dyson dc65. Right here, you can see it has the stiff bristles, tangle-free, nice turbine. Let's take out the main unit. This came out of the box really easy. So, you have the instruction book right here. There's some plastic stuff here you gotta take off. Take off the bin, this button right here, push that, and that's how you release the bin so you can take off the rubber band that's holding all the stuff on. Right, place the bin back on like this, click it in place, take the cleaner head, right there, it's really light, and you just clip it on like that, and you take the handle, clip that in there, and clip the handle in like that, and there you go. Now you have your Dyson set up, ready to use. Let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.